AI is changing how creators and entrepreneurs look online forever. The problem? Most of us looks average. Average team headshots, average product photos, average marketing visuals, and average doesn't stop the scroll, close the deal, or win the client. But Google just dropped a new AI model called Nano Banana. And yeah, that's the weird name, but the results are insane. And today I'll show you 5 powerful ways you can use it to instantly look more professional, sell more, and grow your business even faster. First up, consistent branding photos. If your team page or LinkedIn looks like a mix of blurry selfies and webcam screenshots, you look small and non-professional. And in business, perception is leverage. You upload any headshot and it instantly transforms into a clean, studio quality portrait. Neutral background, balanced lighting, and professional look. And here is the exact prompt I would use. Transform this headshot into a professional studio portrait. Use a soft, neutral background with balanced lighting. Keep the person's face, hair, and clothes accurate. Remove distractions and create a clean, modern LinkedIn-ready style. Now every team member looks like they went to the same pro photographer. Simple, fast, and consistent, and you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on an expensive studio photographer. Next, product photos, for example, for your e-commerce brand. Studio shoots are expensive, and if you're a startup or e-commerce seller, you don't always have that budget. With Nano Banana, you can snap a quick photo on your phone and turn it into a polished, catalog-ready image in seconds. For example, here's the prompt I would use. Transform this raw product photo into a high-quality studio shot. Use soft, balanced lighting, a white seamless background, and subtle color correction. Maintain the true colors, textures, and proportions of the product. No lights, no studio, no $5,000 photography budget. Just upload, type this prompt, and your product looks like it belongs in a premium catalog. This one is wild. Personalized sales outreach. Most cold emails get ignored because they look like spam. Even I get thousands of emails every single day that I just mark it as spam or just don't even bother opening it. But imagine sending a prospect a photo of you holding their branded coffee cup or you standing outside their headquarters. That's not just an email anymore, that's a pattern break they will remember. For example, take this photo of me holding a coffee mug, change the mug color to a brand color and add the company name or their logo onto the mug surface. Place me into a realistic background setting like outside of this company office building. Keep my likeness accurate, lighting neutral, and make the personalization look seamless. It's bold, creative, and it makes your outreach unforgettable. The next one is event and add mockups. If you've ever pitched an idea, you know that words alone don't sell. People need to see it. With Nano Banana, you can take a flyer or a design and instantly place it on a billboard in Times Square or on a massive stage at a conference. And here is the kind of prompt I would use. Take this event flyer design and make it onto a giant digital billboard in Times Square. Make the mockup realistic with correct perspective, lighting, and reflections. Keep the text and brand sharp and legible. Or for conferences, place this event logo onto a conference stage backdrop with banners and screens. Add lighting and audience context to make it look like a real event setup. Instead of asking clients imagine it, you show them the vision. And that's so powerful. And finally, let's talk about social media. Most posts are paired with boring stock images that look fake. Nano Bananas lets you create contextual, authentic visuals in seconds. If you want to post about speaking at events, place yourself on stage. Talking about tech culture, drop yourself into Google HQ. If you're recording a podcast, put yourself in a studio setup. For example, here is the prompt. Take this photo of me and place me in a modern professional setting. Examples: inside a podcast studio with microphones, in a sleek Google office with branded colors, or on stage speaking at a conference. Keep my facial likeness consistent with natural lighting and realistic depth of field. These kinds of visuals stop the scroll and build instant authority. So to recap, Nano Banana can give you consistent branding photos, studio quality product shots, personalized outreach, ad and even event mockups, and soul scrapping content for social media content. This isn't about gimmicks, It's about using AI to look premium, sell smarter, and eventually grow your business faster. And the entrepreneurs and creators who use tools like this now will dominate tomorrow for sure. The ones who don't, they will stay stuck looking average with average stock footage downloaded from any scrap website. If you want more step-by-step AI strategies for creators and business owners or entrepreneurs, hit subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share new ways every week to help you dominate your business area with AI before your competitors do.